Hello everyone, welcome back in my channel. So it's gonna be a review of the t-shirts which I have ordered from Ozis, as you guys wanted a video after the wash. So as of now, only 3 of these t-shirts I have used and give it to the laundry guy. And maybe it's because of the laundry guy, but they doesn't seems to be properly cleaned, I guess. However, let me show you the quality after the first wash. So this one is the olive green, and as you can see around the collar area or neck, there's some sort of like quality degradation or something like that, because this doesn't seem right to me, as you can see. And I literally wear this one for like one day, not more than that. So I'm not sure if it's a quality issue or because of the laundry which I have used, because I am not the one who washed the clothes, so it's the laundry guy. So for the t-shirt, there's nothing wrong apart from this neck area. So if you guys are aware about this and it is pretty common, do let me know, because I don't face anything like that with any of my other t-shirts, but with this one, this is what I've got. This one was for olive green. Now for the red one. For red one it is there, but not as much as it was with the olive green. And apart from that, everything else seems to be good. Now with this one is the lavender one, and this one doesn't seems to be cleaned, even though I just opened the package which I got. And even with this one, as you can see, it is there, but not as much as it is with this olive green option. Maybe there is some issue, or they used bleach, I guess. So this is how it is with these three, because I've used only these three as of now. So as one of you asked me to check with the tube light if it's transparent or not, so I'm gonna do that. And I will also try to wear these t-shirts and give you a pretty much rough idea like how it's gonna be, the fitting and everything. So I will do that. And if you guys enjoying this video, a sub to the channel will support the channel. So let me go ahead and quickly set up for the tube light and I will show you. Alright, so let's try with the tube light now. Okay, it is kind of transparent with the olive green. Single layer is, but double layer is not that much. Yes, it is for olive green. Let me check with this one, the purple one. Kind of same. The black one, I guess if it's a cotton t-shirt, I guess it will be transparent up to a certain extent. And this one is transparent as well. Let's check the red one and the other two. Red one is little lesser as compared to other. Now the lavender white, I guess. Yeah, it's almost the same for each and every t-shirt. Let me try with one of my Tommy's t-shirt. Even this one is more transparent than this one, and this one costed me like 2600. And one more thing, this one is like 2 years old, but around the neck area you can see this t-shirt is still better as compared to that olive green one. But the fabric seems to be smooth. I don't know why. What is the reason that olive green seems to be like placed away from that neck region? Maybe something has to do with the laundromat. So now I will try to wear each one of these, and then you will have a pretty much a clear idea like if the fitting is gonna be right for you or not. So let me set this up once again.